Is your Bissell Little Green Proheat not picking up water? You're not alone. When suction fails, this powerful cleaning machine becomes ineffective. Suction is the heart of your Little Green's cleaning power. It lifts dirt and water from carpets and upholstery, making the difference between a clean surface and a soggy mess. The Little Green uses a dual tank system that's crucial for proper suction. Clean solution goes in one tank, while dirty water is collected in another. When suction fails, it's usually due to three main culprits: clogged hoses, dirty filters, or improperly sealed tanks. These suction principles apply across the entire Little Green family, from the standard Proheat to the pet model and even the cordless mini version. Understanding these fundamentals is your first step to diagnosing suction problems. In the next section, we'll walk through specific troubleshooting steps to get your Little Green working like new again. First, check your dirty water tank. Make sure it's not full and is properly locked and sealed in place. Next, verify that your clean water tank is correctly inserted and secured. Check that the tank lid is not damaged or missing. Detach the hose from the machine and inspect it thoroughly for clogs or obstructions. Use a long, flexible object to dislodge any debris, and clean the spray nozzle with a soft brush. Inspect all gaskets and seals around the dirty water tank and other connections. Ensure they are properly seated and in good condition. Replace any damaged seals. Locate and clean the filter thoroughly. Allow it to dry completely before reinstalling it back into the machine. If your unit isn't spraying, you may need to prime the pump. Turn off the unit, remove the upholstery tool, and continuously press the trigger for 30 seconds, then release. Finally, inspect for any leaks around the tanks and connections. Leaks can indicate poor seals and cause loss of suction. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve your suction issue, it may indicate a mechanical problem requiring professional repair. Contact Bissell Consumer Care for further assistance.